is Maya. If this is your very first time here, what's up? And to all my new people, you know what's good, how you doing? So happy that you could join us. Please make sure you hit subscribe below if you have not, so that you do stay updated on all the videos that I got coming to you. So today is a wonderful day for me because I finally got my Shayla times Colourpop collection in the mail. 8. So happy. I, of course, am just in love with her, but I was really excited when she did debut that she was doing this collaboration with Colourpop. Big moves happening for my girl. So, congratulations, sis. I did get the entire collection. I did get the palette, which is called Perception, and she is right here. And she is cute, and she is popping, and she is fire, and all that good stuff. She's cute. And yeah, I got Perception. I got both of her highlighters. One is in Boomin and one is in Pose. So I'm excited about that. I'm gonna show y'all the swatches of those as well. And they come through on the skin absolutely beautiful. To me, they're kind of ideal for deeper skin tones, only because they both have like a goldish thing going on, but you know, regardless, it is popping. I also got the 3 lippies, and the lippies come in Come On Sis, Quickie, and Oouuuu. And then she also came out with a gloss, and that is called Neat Freak. Now let me tell y'all something, okay? This packaging is absolutely gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Like the splatter of the paint and the gold, like the rose gold color, like right up my alley, and I'm happy and I'm excited and all that good stuff. I am gonna try on the lipsticks for you a little bit later, but first we're gonna get into this eye look. Everything on my eyes I did with the palette, and this is also the lip gloss as well. So if you want to see how I got this look, go ahead and keep watching, and I will see y'all at the end. So I did one eye, and if y'all know me and you've been watching my channel, you know that I gravitate towards pinks and purples and that. So I decided to do like a rose gold pink ombre type of look. That's what we're gonna do. I use, I think, about 5 colors from the palette. So let's get started. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna prime this eye with my LA Girl Pro Conceal, and this is in Fawn. Then I'm gonna blend that out with my beauty blender. Then I'm gonna go ahead and set that with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. And then I'm gonna go in with the palette. Okay, so the first color that I'm gonna use out of the palette is the color Culture. And I'm gonna use this as a transition color in my crease. And I don't need too much of that, so that's all we need, just a little Culture. So from there, I am gonna go into Played Out. And I love that Shayla put this on this palette, because every palette has that dark brown shade that you know you gotta use for your crease, but it's played out because everybody got it, right? And the brush that I use for this is a little more concentrated, but I'm gonna stamp it into my crease, and then I'm gonna take a clean brush to go ahead and blend that out. And for this color, I am gonna bring it out a little bit towards my eyebrow, because I am gonna do a wing liner. So I'm gonna just, you know, elongate it a little bit, and then I'm gonna blend that color up. So now that's looking how I want that to look. And I'm gonna go ahead with my cut crease. For my cut crease, I am gonna use LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I'm gonna use that in Pure Beige. I do want this to be pretty light so that that rose gold and that pink tint can just pop on through the way I need it to pop on through. And y'all, shout out to Shayla for having this mirror right here on the palettes. We need this. I hate when I get palettes with no mirror on it. Like, this is a lifesaver. So once I have that blended out, I'm gonna go ahead and set that with my powder before I go back into the palette for the color. I'm gonna use the color September on most of my crease, and then I'm gonna put the color Spill the Tea right in the corner. And I'm actually gonna spray my brush for this, because the color September actually works really, really beautifully with a wet brush. Ooh wee, Shayla. That is so pretty. That's so pretty. Y'all, wait a minute. Hold up. Can we just take a minute and acknowledge the variety that is in this palette? Like, I just love that Shayla kind of put in pinks, blues, greens, and then also like the neutral colors played out, which is a dark brown. And it's like you can do anything thick, you know, because she thick. That's perfect, you know, because I know she likes to have like an orange color in the crease. It's like really warm. That and Revenge. Baby girl, you put your foot in this. Yes, you did, baby. Like her whole foot. Like not just the toe, not just the heel, like her whole foot got put into this collab. And I'm loving it. Matter of fact, her leg. She put her whole leg in this. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna go for. The leg. So then I am going to spray another brush and I'm going to go into Spill the Tea. Now I'm going to go into the color Shade because she's so shady. And I'm going to put this in the corner so I can create kind of that smoky eye look. Then from there, I am going to make sure that my cut crease pops out like I want it to. I'm going to take a very small angled brush and I'm going to take Play Out and I'm going to line the top of my cut crease. And as I'm lining this, I'm kind of gonna push it upwards so that she blended, you know? Then from there, I'm gonna go in with a liquid liner to create my cat eye. And today I am using my Kat Von D ink liner. And since, you know, we're doing Shayla collabs, we might as well do Shayla collabs all the way around the board. So I am gonna use my Maybelline x Shayla, the Colossal Big Shot Mascara to prime my natural lashes for my lashes. Then I'm gonna put on my lashes. These are Lily lashes in the style Mikonos. All right, so my eyes are done. I'm gonna go ahead and finish off my face off camera so we can get to the under eyes, highlighters, and lips. I'll be right back. All right guys, so my face is done. For my under eyes, I think I want to go into a little more color. I'm going to go into the color 14 and I'm going to stamp that underneath my under eyes. I wonder why she called this 14. I'm thinking it's because maybe this was the color that we all wanted to wear when we were 14, like blue eyeshadow. Apparently that's the running joke for everybody. I'm happy this is covering up my face because I'm making some weird faces behind here. You don't want to see it.
I want to see it.
Of course you want to see it. I'm feeling that blue. Yes, Shayla. Then I'm going to go ahead and put the color Spill the Tea mixed with Unbothered into my tear ducts. Bro, that is so pretty. So then I'm gonna go back into the Colossal Big Shot Mascara and I'm gonna go into my lower lashes. Then I'm also gonna go into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Liner and put that on my waterline. And those eyes are done. I think they dope. So now we're gonna get into the highlighter before we get to lips. From the two that I swatched, I decided to actually just go ahead with Pose, and I'm gonna use that today. Yes. That is so freaking pretty. Oh my gosh. That is so pretty, Shayla. I'm also gonna use a highlight as well to highlight the rest of my face. I just need a little bit more on my nose, y'all. I can't take it. This highlighter is so pretty. This is actually my first time using like a loose highlighter. And she cute. She real cute. I'm excited. Since I'm feeling this so much, I'm gonna add a little more of this highlight all over my face. And we're just gonna shine it up today. We're gonna do like Shayla do. She be add a little bit right here, you know. We're gonna add a little bit right there. Not too much, you know. Just enough. So, if you guys watch my Ellery times Colourpop video, then you know how I do lip swatches, and I'm gonna swatch all 3 of these colors for you right now. So since doing the swatches, I feel like since I went so colorful with the eyes and none of the lipsticks are gonna really work with this look, so I decided just to go ahead with the gloss. I'm gonna go ahead and use that by itself. That's a vibe, baby. I like that. And we are done. All right guys, so this is the finished look. I hope that you really enjoyed this video. I gotta be honest, I personally enjoyed this video because I was waiting so long to get my hands on this. Ever since she dropped that first intro video, I was like, yes, girl, dripping. I was real excited. So this was a pleasure for me to do this for you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Hit subscribe below if you have not yet. And I'll see y'all in my next upload.